If you've noticed the way I've not been active for like months now, it's because I've been so busy, crazy busy working on something incredible specifically for you. If you've known me for some time now, known the fact that I'm always bringing out new trading algorithms and AI to supercharge your trading automatically. So that's the reason why I wasn't available, but all good. The projects I am working on specifically for you will soon be ready, so stay tuned. If you've not yet subscribed to this channel, do well to click on the subscribe button, because today I am going to show you how to generate trading volume on any token like Solana token or ERC20 token automatically. Take note that this video is for educational purposes only. I am not trying to promote the process of faking trading volume to trick people to think that the token has demand, but I'm making this video specifically as educational video to show you that this is feasible. Also be as a guide on when you are doing your own research, you should dig deeper on your research. So without delay, let's dive in right away. If you navigate to dexcraner.com, you're going to see the list of tokens that have been listed on different decentralized exchanges. So most of those tokens are honeypots in the sense that they are scams. I want to quickly show you something right away. So if you check out this point, you're going to see trading volume, and when you see tokens that has a lot of trading volume, you automatically know that this token has a lot of demand because people are trading that token. Like for example, you can see different tokens with 50 million volume and other tokens as well as these 14 million and so on. Since this video is dedicated to token creators, I'm just going to try as much as possible to make it an advanced tutorial video, not basics. So I am not going to explain the basic parts of this tutorial. So let's quickly dive into how to generate this trading volume. So before we dive in, I'm going to automatically choose any trading token that is trading right now. Okay, this one is trading at 50 million volume right now, as we can see, and the market cap, you can see the market cap right away is 18 million market cap. So I'm going to click on it. I am not affiliated with this token. I don't know the token creators. I'm just selecting it as the public information that is available on the blockchain. So I'm going to choose this token right away. You can see trading that is going on right here, and I am just going to show you how simple it is to fake this, so that whenever you are investing in any coin, you have to make sure you do a deep research before going ahead and put your money in there. To generate a trading volume like the one that you are seeing on that desk screener, you can navigate to this link. Link is going to be in the URL. This is the official Floronics GitHub repo. So I have a repo that is named trading volume generator bot. So this is just a simple trading script that generates trading volume automatically. So if you go here, you can see there are two branches of this repo right here. We have the Solana own and we have the main, which is the EVM own right away. So you can see here, this is for EVM. I developed this script on the BSC chain. So this is specifically on the BSC chain. You can customize it to make it work with any chain of your choice. And if you wish to use it on Solana chain, you can go ahead and use it here on Solana. But since EVM is simple to understand, I'm going to use the EVM parts. So when you navigate to this repo, you can see the documentation, you can read about it, in which I'm going to show you right in this video right away. So I'm going to clone this directory, which is the repo, by clicking on the code and click on copy the HTTP directory URL, and then navigate to my terminal. Okay, so I am on my terminal right now. I'm specifically on the home directory right here. So you can see the home directory. So I'm going to make directory here. If you are on Windows, you can just create a folder, call it anything, anywhere you wish. So I'm going to make directory on my home directory, and I'm going to call it volume bot, for example, and then I'm going to navigate to the volume bots that I created right here. So let's navigate down there and then clear my terminal. Then navigate to the GitHub repo and then copy the URL to the repo. Navigate down to my terminal. You can type git clone and then paste the directory. Then click on enter. Then it's going to clone into the master directory. Okay, so if you then do ls, you are going to see the directory in which I am going to navigate down to the directory right away. So I'm going to cd to the directory, and if I ls, you are going to see the files in that directory. Let me quickly navigate to the Finder app and then find where the file is. So I'm going to go to my home directory from my Finder and then scroll down. You can see the volume board directory I created here, and inside the directory there's a subdirectory we just clone on the GitHub repo, and these are the files that we have down here. So I will have to open this on my Visual Studio Code. So if you don't have Visual Studio Code, you can install Visual Studio Code on your computer. Link is going to be in the description right away. And then there you go. Here's my Visual Studio Code. So I will have to drag and drop on my Visual Studio Code. And from there, you can see all the files down here. So these are the files that we cloned from GitHub repo. This is a TypeScript file. If you navigate to the source directory, you are going to see .env.example. So go ahead and copy the .env file .example to .env. That is, you can rename it to .env file, and then open your terminal on your Visual Studio Code and then install the dependencies by typing npm install and then click on enter. This is going to install the dependencies for the script. .env file, you can see the trade volume minimum and maximum. This is going to be the trade volume your bot is going to randomly select from the minimum and the maximum, and the idle duration is the time your bot is going to wait before it can execute new trades to generate trading volume, while the sleep duration is the time in seconds it is going to sleep before selling the tokens. That is, it is going to wait before selling the token. The gas fee threshold is the amount of gas fee you will add to your wallet as a buffer to executing trades so that there will be more gas fee in it. And this is the slippage tolerance. Then from here, you can see the target token that you want to generate the volume. So by default, it is USDT. So I'm going to navigate to the token that we have here. If suppose this is the token that you want to generate trading volume on, so you can go ahead and copy the contract address, or on Solana, it is known as the program address. So we find the contract address down here. Okay, so this token is paired with USDT, and if you notice, our script has WBNB address, or that's wrap BNB, so we can't trade this because the script was specifically made for tokens that are paired with BNB rather than USDT. So we are going to go ahead to the watch and then find another token that is paired with BNB, like this is USDT. Okay, I have to make sure I'm finding a token that is not honeypot. So let's go ahead, check the trading volume. I know trading volume can be fake, just like what I am showing you right on this video for educational purpose. So I'm going to go ahead and find a token right away. Okay, this one here is paired with BNB and it has 37 million volume with a market cap of 353 million. So I'm going to choose this right away, and then okay, I think this is going to be the right option. So let's navigate to the token details, and then from here we can see the contract address of the token. We can copy it, so you can go ahead, copy it and paste here, and then BNB, yeah, that is paired with BNB. That's incredible. So the next thing we are going to copy is going to be the pair address. So this is the pool address, which is pair. So we copy it and then we are going to paste it here, and then we'll find the pool fee for this pool, because Uniswap v3 has a section for pool fee for you to get this pool. So I'm going to show you how to find the pool fee right away. Okay, for the pool fee, which is 0.05% for 500 pool fee in basis points, to get the pool fee, you can get your pool address or the token pool address. You will, as a developer of the token, you will know your token pool fee that you set when listing it on PancakeSwap. So you can get the pool address and then navigate to BSC scan and paste your pool address, and then navigate to the contract section. Then click on read contract and then right here you can see fee. Click on it and you will see the fee of the pool. So this is 100 in basis points. So copy it and then navigate here and then paste it right away. So that is it. And the next thing is going to be for you to input your RPC URL. So go ahead and input your RPC URL to BNB and then your private key. I am going to pause this video right now to input my RPC URL and my private key, and later on I will come back and click play. Okay, so I am done setting up my env file, which is my environment variable with the RPC URL and my private key. So if you navigate to my balance right here, this is the wallet I set up, right? You can see I have BNB that worth 4.2 USD right here. So I have 0.003 BNB right here. So I'm going to put this into work to start trading to see. I can decide to say, oh, I want to trade it with any amount. So it's not limited to the amounts you are going to trade. You can trade it with $1,000, you can trade it with $100, or as the case may be, based on your BNB value that you want to use for the trading to generate volume. Remember, this trading bot is not meant for profit, it's for generating volume and showing you how it is to generate the volume. So the main file that generates the volume is this file that called the generator right here. This is the generator class that we instantiated, and then we have the generator class. Then we call await generator.starts that starts generating and running it for infinity. So I'm going to clear the terminal right here, and then since I am on the TypeScript environment, I'm going to use TS node. If you want to run it with node.js, there's no problem. There's prod directory right here, which is the production ready file source right here. So you can go ahead, set it up and run it with node.js. But just for the sake of education, I'm going to run it with TS node. So I am going to navigate to the src directory right here by typing cd src, because that's where the file is, and then I'm going to do ts-node main.ts and then click on enter. You can see currently now it is waiting for the next cycle, which is 20 minutes, in which I set on the environment variable. So we are going to wait for 20 seconds and then later on it proceed. And currently now it has generated a new wallet address to use it to buy this token right away. And you can see it funded the wallet address with some amount of BNB, which is going to be the trade volume plus gas fee, and it swapped to the token right here, and it's going to wait for the time you set to sell it. So if I copy the transaction hash of the swap transaction and then navigate to BSC scan and paste it right away and then click on it, you are going to see the swap right here. This is the token swap. It swapped 1 USDT worth of the token right here. So what it is going to do right here is that it's going to wait for some seconds and then sell back the token. After selling back the token, it then returns the BNB back to the master wallet. I think this transfer error, maybe the token is honeypot and they don't allow me to sell it. That's the reason why you are seeing the transfer error. But meanwhile, if I go to the token, you can see my transaction right here. Let me quickly find my transaction of buy transaction of 1 USD if I can get it right away. So the token creator right here might be faking it just to scam people. You see how the trade is coming in. So it's just to show you that this is possible. They might be probably running bot that is buying token like this with different wallets, which I am showing you how possible it is to do right here for educational purposes, so you know how to do your research whenever you are trading any token you are not really familiar or trust. Okay, so I'm not able to sell it right away when it approve it to sell, because maybe they have restrict me. It's not about gas fee or whatsoever. The error code right here is showing safe transfer failed, so probably they don't allow me to sell it. But meanwhile, I can find my wallet address right here. So let me quickly copy my wallet address and see if I can find it on the transaction. Okay, oh, this is the wallet address right here, the generator wallet address. So I'm going to easily copy it, the first byte of it, and then navigate to and search it. Okay, I can't find it right away, but I believe it's going to be here. But you can get the clue based on the fact that there are many transactions. I can't really find it because transaction have overloaded my own transaction right here from my bot. So that is how it works. And if you navigate to my wallet again, you can see my BNB has been reduced. Okay, so if I go to the new generator wallet, remember the wallet address is going to be logged from this walletsLogs.db. And for you to view the files of this database, this is from SQLite. You will need to go to extension and then search for SQLite. I think so. SQLite viewer, yeah, this one right here. So install it. That's when you'll be able to view the files like the way I'm viewing it here. So you can see the private key right here. So this is the new wallet that was generated to buy the token. And if I navigate to my MetaMask right away and then import the wallet, so I'm going to import the wallet right here. So I add wallet and add with private key, paste the private key right here. So you can see I have the token in my wallet, BNB and the token, but the bad part is that I am not allowed to sell the token because it is honeypot probably, or maybe some blockchain error. That's the reason why. So the idea is that it waits for some seconds that you set, it sells the token back to WBNB, and then it unwrap the WBNB to BNB and send it back to the master wallet. So that's just how it works and how simple it is to create trading volume. So if you think this video makes sense to you, or if you've learned something from this video, do well to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for the new AI trading bot that is coming. You know, you can make so much money using pure AI to automate your trading, because AI has the ability to check posts from social media like X. Like for example, if Donald Trump make a post that will impact the market, you can use AI to automate that process. You can also use AI to check current news with different news providers to know, and then your AI will analyze how it is going to impact the market, in which you can make so much money trading with AI. So I'm going to make it available for you for free. So do well to subscribe to this channel, because it's only my subscribers that will be able to get it for completely free of charge. So stay tuned. There's going to be a link in the description for you to join our official Discord and then interact with other traders as well, while still waiting for the new trading algorithms of AI that is coming soon. Until then, I will see you in the next video.